Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to talk about the self-growth that you would like to start off in 40s. So without any further ado and let's talk about it. Well, guys, if have you ever felt or have you ever questioned yourself, am I too late to start off the self-growth in 40s or after the 40s? Well, guys, if you ever felt that before, don't worry, guys, and please don't demotivate you because here I asked for this Grok AI and surprisingly the answer will be not. Starting the self-growth after 40 is absolutely not too late because your 40s can be a powerful time for transformation and because you have the life experiences and it will also help you to have the clarity about your values and also the stronger sense of purpose to guide your efforts. Instead of asking about am I too late, you can start to motivate yourself because your brain still remain or still capable to have the new skill or the new hobbies. As you can see about the neuroplasticity, your brain remains capable to forming a neural connection and learning new skill well into the later life. And also about the life expectancy, with the global expectancy averaging around the 73 years, your 40s are roughly the midpoint. So you're not late to start off the, let's say, your self growth or even the business or for your hobbies, guys. And you have also the inspiration out there. For example, there is the Vera Wang who entered the fashion industry at 40s, or Ray Kroc who scaled the McDonald's in 50s. So you're not alone to start off or to feel that way, and you can start to motivate yourself and go to your dream and go to your purpose to have your self growth in 40, guys. And after that, what step that you can take to start off the self growth? Well, here there are several steps. For example, the first step is reflect on your goals and values. And why does it matter? Because at 40s, you likely have clearer sense of what truly matter to you. You can use this to align your growth with your core values. Again, because you have more life experience, so that can be your tool to have the direction or new direction about the self growth. How to do that? You can set aside the time for the introspection or to do the journaling, guys. And you can, by that introspection, you can see deep into your life about the growth that you would like to achieve. For example, the career, health, relationship, creativity, and spirituality. And the second step is one of the important thing is to prioritize the physical and mental health because it is actually wasting time if we would like to pursue our goal, but we are not maintaining the physical and mental health, guys. We have body, we have spirit, we have mental that also need to be maintained or we need to take care of. How to do that? Do the exercise, giving your body a nutritious food, and maintain your mental health by doing the mindfulness or meditation and sleep properly. Aim for 7 until 9 hours per night or every night. And you can start to learn new skill or revisit the passion. And for example, you can start to take the online courses like the coding, photography, public speaking, depending on your goals. And you can revisit your hobbies your past, from your past. For example, painting, playing instrument to reignite the creativity. Or you can do the cooking, let's say, or baking, for example. And you can learn again to build or strengthen the relationship, because the strong social connection are linked to the longer, happier lives. And also, how to do that? You can start to reconnect with your old friend or make the new ones through the community, groups, and also the volunteering. And by that, having that relationship or relation in social life, you can start to practice again to have the active listening and vulnerability to deepen your relationship. But this is one of the important thing, because you have more life experience, so you can learn again to set the boundaries from the toxic relationship that usually drain your energy, guys. And the next step is you can set the small and achievable goals, because this is the very first step to the bigger step ahead. You can use this framework named SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, walking for 30 minutes 5 days a week for 3 months instead of just getting fit. And also, you can break the big goals, for example, the career change, into the step like the research, network, take a course on, apply for a job. And the next step is you can embrace your growth mindset. Maybe in the previous time you see the challenges can be the only the hardship, that's it. But actually that is the field to you to be more active, to be your opportunity to solve your problem, and also sharpen the way of the thinking. And also, you can surround yourself with the positive and growth-oriented people. And you can seek the feedback and learn from failure without taking them personally. And you can manage the time and priorities, because you have learned about in the previous life, in your 30s or 20s, maybe you have learned about the thing that you have just the thing that wasting your time. So by this 40 you will learn more about the managing the times and priorities. And also you can explore the spirituality or purpose. For example, the thing that you would like to live for the people, or the impact that you would like to give for the people. And also explore the practice like meditation, prayer, or journaling to connect with your sense of purpose, connect with your God. And you can do the volunteer or contribute to causes you care about, the feel part of something bigger. And for example, this is the sample of weekly plan. Like Monday, you can go for a walk and you can start the online courses, meditation, strength training, volunteer, and reflect the progress that you have done for a week. So the conclusion is you are not totally too late to start off the self growth, guys. So don't give up, and I believe that you can achieve that. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.